Alright folks, I don't know what the last thing I filmed on here was. This is going to go out before the video that I filmed before this video, so stay tuned for that one. Today we are going to be putting some exhaust on the Jeep. So here's the stock. Pretty quiet, pretty normal and pretty boring. I gotta kind of film away from my stuff going on down there. Now I'm going to make it have exhaust. Alright, my party people. Got this end of the new muffler cleaned up and this end. This is essentially a Super 44 that I did not pay Super 44 money for, which means it's a knockoff. Got this big old nasty blown out turd out. I'm going to be wrapping this chunk that goes next to the fuel tank. I already took it off. I just put it back on so I can measure. And then I got to clean up that pipe there. I'm going to weld the muffler in and then we'll cut out a chunk of this exhaust. I've got another piece of old exhaust I'm going to put in the middle. I'll get it burned into that side and get it all wrapped out the back. Keep it all cool, and then we'll weld it in, and then we'll do a sound check. Alright, here's the new exhaust all installed. I'm not going to show you the welds because I just got in a fight with my welder, but it should seal. So at the end of this is going to be a goofy clip for a sound clip, but I just going to use the same one I make for my short. So there's the exhaust on the Jeep. Here's what it sounds like. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think.